In this video, I'm going to show you all the steps required to connect an Android smartphone to the HDMI input found on a JVC Multimedia receiver. The first step is to ensure that the Android device you are connecting supports MHL. MHL stands for Mobile High Definition Link and means that the phone will output both audio and video through the micro USB connection. Simply go to www.meetmhl.com and click on the Compatibility tab. Step 2 is to connect the Android device to the JVC receiver with the optional KSU61 HDMI to MHL cable. This cable will charge the phone as well as transfer audio and video to the JVC receiver. In most cases, this is the only additional part needed, but in this particular demonstration, I am using the Samsung Galaxy S5. All Samsung phones and tablets will require an additional part called a 5 to 11 pin adapter. You can purchase this adapter from Samsung directly or from a third-party manufacturer, but it is required for any Samsung device. Step 3 is to download the JVC Smartphone Control application from the Google Play App Store. Once downloaded, open the application and a message will appear telling you the app must be turned on in the accessibility menu. Select Settings and turn the application on. Once this is completed, return to the home screen. The app will then only need to be on the phone. You will not be required to open the application again. Step 4. Pair the Android phone to the Bluetooth of the JVC receiver. There are several ways you can do this, but the easiest is to open the settings of the Android phone. Go to Bluetooth, make sure it is turned on, and it will begin scanning for Bluetooth devices within its range. Once it finds the JVC receiver, select on it. You will then get a pair request notification on both the phone and the receiver. Select Pair on both. The phone will then ask you if you want to download the phone book. Check Do Not Ask Again, then click Yes. Now the phone is paired and will auto-connect every time you get into the vehicle. Step 5 is to configure the app settings of the JVC receiver. Select the settings key from the home screen. Then, on the menu bar, go to the System tab and select App Setup from the list below. In App Setup, select App Connection Setup to begin the process. It will display the default settings for iPod, iPhone through USB. Select the Change key to begin the setup process. The first screen will ask you to select what type of phone you are connecting. Select Android Other and press Next. The second screen will ask you how you want to connect the phone. There are two options: Bluetooth and HDMI, MHL plus Bluetooth. Select HDMI and press Next. The third screen will prompt you to choose the phone you are using from the Bluetooth paired device list. Because the phone was already paired, it will be listed. Select it and press Next. A confirmation screen will now display, showing you all of the settings you just did. Make sure you press the Done button to save these settings. If you press the home key, it will revert back to the default settings. Now return to the home screen and you have completed the setup process and you are now ready to use the Android phone from the JVC receiver. From the home screen, open the app source. Be sure to fully read the displayed disclaimer and after doing so, press Agree. The receiver will then display Now Connecting, Please Wait. Once connected, another disclaimer will appear. Please read it and press Agree. As you can see, the Android screen is now displayed on the JVC receiver, and you can control the Android phone remotely from the JVC touchscreen. It will also populate the phone's hard keys onto this convenient drop-down menu. This menu can be closed and moved to any location on the screen of the JVC receiver. HDMI can be found on the 2014 JVC KWV50BT and KWV30BT, as well as the new 2015 KWV51BT and KWV31BT. To learn more about JVC mobile products, please visit www.mobile.jvc.com.